Here are 3 deliciously creamy drinks that you can make for everybody. To start off, let's make Brazilian lemonade, or creamy lemonade without the lemons. Let's make some Brazilian lemonade. Let's start by thoroughly washing and cutting 1 lime into quarters. Make sure your knives are sharp to avoid injury. Then add your lime wedges to a blender and prepare your other ingredients. Move on to adding 1/4 cup sugar or 1/3 of a cup depending on taste, and then adding 1.5 cups of water to the blender as well. Now we'll move on to our final ingredient. Add 1.5 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk. Add more or less depending on the amount of sugar you want to add. Then put the lid on your container. Now let's start blending, shall we? Keep blending until the mixture is relatively smooth consistency, and then once it's that, you can stop. Now that our drink is blended, carefully pour and strain into a glass. Make sure you pour carefully so you don't repeat what I did. Garnish with a slice of lime and enjoy your Brazilian lemonade. For our second drink, let's learn how to make our own Calpis concentrate. Here's how to make your own Calpis cordial. But first, a little bit about the drink. Calpis was first invented in 1919 in Japan. Let's get started, shall we? To start off, you'll need 2 main ingredients. 2 parts yogurt and 1 part lemon juice. Add the 2 ingredients to a mixing bowl and season to taste with sugar. Less sugar means more sour, more sugar means more sweet. And then give it a thorough mix. Carefully and slowly strain into a container and then cover and then put in the fridge. Let it sit for 1 hour. By covering and putting in the fridge, you reduce the need to have ice in your drink, but you can skip this step if you would like. Once done with the refrigeration, take your drink out and uncover it. Now that is done, pour out 1/4 cup of the mixture and then pour it into your glass. You can then either fill the glass up with a concoction of alcohols, some regular old water, or as I have done here, soda water to add that nice fizz. And here you have it, Calpis concentrate. Enjoy! For our final drink of the day, let's learn how to make our own non-alcoholic Irish cream. Let's make non-alcoholic Irish cream. Let's get started, shall we? To an ice-filled shake, add 2/3 a cup of thickened or double cream. Then follow that up by adding 1/4 cup of evaporated milk. For the flavorings, add a shot of espresso, followed by a pinch of orange zest, then 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, then 1 itty-bitty teaspoon of vanilla extract. For a little bit of added spice, add a pinch of cinnamon. Cover, then give a vigorous shake. Finally, strain into a glass of your choice, and then garnish with a tiny bit of cinnamon. And there you have it, non-alcoholic Irish cream. Enjoy! I hope you enjoyed those recipes. I enjoyed making them. Give us a like and a subscribe if you enjoyed them, or want to see other content like this.